Hi guys, my name is Ella. So are you planning to relocate to the UK or do you just want to come to the UK to make money? If yes, then watch this video. I know that it's not everybody that wants to move to the UK. That is just the truth. Some persons just want to come to the UK and make money. If you're one of those people that just want to come to the UK, make money and go back to your home country, then that is also good. But before I take you guys to the government website, please, if you have not followed this page, do not forget to like, follow, share for more content like this. This will encourage me to make more videos. Well, without wasting much of your time, let's go to the government website. So guys, I am on the UK government website and this is gov.uk. This is what I'm here to talk about. The seasonal worker visa is a temporary work. Now you can see here it says overview. You can apply for a seasonal work visa to come to the UK and work. Horticulture for up to 6 months. For example, picking fruits, vegetables and flowers. Poultry from 2nd of October to 31st of December in the same year. You will need to apply for poultry seasonal work visa by 15th of each year. You can apply for horticultural seasonal work visa at any time of the year. So this particular job is a farm job for those of you good in farm, or if you have got a poultry, whether in your country or from Nigeria. I'm sorry, I'm using Nigeria. That's because I'm a Nigerian. So if you're looking for a means to make money, why not apply for this seasonal work visa? So before you can come to the UK on this visa, obviously you will need to have a sponsorship, meaning you will need to apply with a company that have license to sponsor. So if you're watching this video and you want me to create a video on a licensed company that sponsor people from overseas to come to the UK and work on this farm job, leave it on the comment section. Just leave me a comment and I will do that. The good thing about this visa is that it doesn't take time to make decision. You can see it at the top. Getting a decision. Once you apply online, approve your identity and provide your document, you will usually get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks. So the application fee for this job is £298. And how long can you stay in the UK? You can stay in the UK for up to 6 months. So that is why I said this particular visa are for those of you that just want to come to the UK, make money and go back to your home country. However, if a company sponsor you and they want you to stay in the country, they can still renew your visa while you're in the country. But this particular visa is lasts for 6 months. Come to the UK, make money and go. So now let's talk about how much it costs. As soon as you pay your application fee, you will still need to provide enough personal saving. You know the reason why you need to provide this personal saving is because as soon as you enter the country, obviously you will need to pay your house rent, transportation, feeding before you start working, and this company will start paying you monthly because most of the time they pay monthly here in the UK. So they will need you to provide enough money that okay, you have money to pay for your house rent at least for that first month. You have enough money to feed yourself. Have enough money for transport fare. So you will need to provide this via your bank account. That means you need to provide a bank statement. So if you would like me to make a video on companies that are currently recruiting farmers, do not forget to like this video, share and follow for more. This will encourage me to make more videos. And do not forget that farm jobs is not for everybody. Farm job is hard. It's not for everyone.